Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 update error, that is Windows Update is disabled. You can repair Windows Update by running the Windows Update troubleshooter in settings, and the error code is 0x800-70422. So if you are receiving this error message, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to click on troubleshoot or run Windows Update troubleshooter. So when you receive the error message, so click on troubleshoot, or you can go to Windows 10 settings, then click on update and security, and then click on troubleshoot, then click on additional troubleshooter, click on Windows Update, and then click on run the troubleshooter. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 or try to download any application from Microsoft Store. So still you're facing the problem, in that case go ahead and restart Windows Update service. For this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Scroll down and find Windows Update. So here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, then make sure startup type is set to automatic, then click on apply. Now if start is highlighted, click on start, then click on OK, and with Windows Update selected over here, click on restart over here. And once this is done, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10. That should go ahead and fix the problem. Now still you're facing the problem, in that case you can go ahead and run Windows Update reset script. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description, so you can open this link in a browser. Now it will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down and here you can see download Windows Update reset script for computer running Windows 10. So click on it. Now once the download is complete, it will download a zip file. You have to go ahead and extract the file. So click on this and then click on show in folder. Go to the download location, make a right click on WU reset Windows 10 and then click on extract all and then click on extract. Now once this is done, open WU reset Windows 10 folder, then make a right click on WU reset and then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow. Now over here it opens command prompt and here you can press any key on the keyboard to continue. Now this process will take some time, so do not close the window. And at the end here you can see press any key to continue. So click on it and this will close the command prompt, and then restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10. Now still you are facing the problem, in that case perform clean boot. To perform clean boot, just type in system configuration in Windows search box and then click on system configuration. Click on the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. Put a check over here, then click on disable all, then click on apply, OK, and then restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10. The next step is to run SFC and DISM command. So just type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it in the PowerShell in the command prompt window, then hit the enter key. Now let the scan complete. Once this scan is 100% complete, then you have to go ahead and run the second command. Run this command. So once this is done, copy this, paste it over here and then hit the enter key. And once this scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then check for the error message. That error message should go away. Now still you are facing the problem. If nothing is working, then you can go ahead and update Windows 10 using media creation tool. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now, and once the download is complete, run the exe file. Then you will see this screen. Agree to the terms, so click on accept, and then by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. So click on next, and it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now once the download is complete, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So let this be checked. Do not make any changes, and then click on install, and after the installation log into your computer and this error message should go away. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get rid of this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.